Hi everyone, it's Martin with MetroTrade. Today's lesson will be about the chart widgets. The chart can be seen right now in my screen. So if we look from the left to the right, so that's over here, we're gonna be working this way, that way. All the way to the left, you have the product that you are trading. So this is the Micro E-mini S&P 500. Right here, you can add whatever product you want to view on the chart. On following that along, you are able to link your chart to your watch list. So let's say I want to link it to the red one, and you have your watch list over here to the right. Link this to the red one, and then you want to look at this product. You simply click it, and now you can look it over. Moving on, you have your account. This is the account that you're currently trading with. Right here, this is we're looking at the 1 minute chart. This can be changed right here in the drop down. 5 minute chart, this can all be adjusted as you like, and then it can also be customizable to the user itself. The different chart types that are available, it's bar, candle, and line. This can be just changed with a simple click. Candle is usually the standard. This one right here is your pointer. So if you want to, right here, it's that floating data box that you see with my cursor. If you simply just want the crosshairs with the data box on your left, or if you don't want any crosshairs, you can just click around. That's fine. This button right here, you are able to do an auto order. So you click on it. Let's say you want to do a limit order. You click it right here. A limit order can be placed here if you like. Confirm or send it. Do the drop down here. It can also be a stop order. Same process. You click on the stop order. You click wherever you want to put the stop order. You click here. Moving on. These are the different orders that you can put, the different instruments that are available, drawing. So you can click on these drawings. You can draw whatever you want to draw. You draw something and you draw something over here. You can do an oval, whatever you prefer. Comes down to the user itself. Let's get rid of that right here. Let's get rid of that either way. Zoom in, zoom out, pretty self-explanatory. You can zoom out, zoom in, whatever you like. There we go. If you want to zoom back out, if you want to zoom in, you click zoom in and you click on which part you want to zoom in. There we go. This jar right here, it's all the different studies or indicators. There's over 75 indicators that you can choose. That's the EMA, SMA, whatever is the most beneficial to that trader. And then right over here, you can do the automatic buy or sell. If you want to click a buy, it will automatically autofill your order for one contract for the product that you're viewing. You can send it through there, similar to a sell. You can do a sell, it autofills it. That is all that the chart widget has to offer. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at support@metrotrader.com. Thank you.